When I saw its eyes, I knew it yearned for freedom. But dark clouds came and it was lost. It didn't know where to go.
Where'd it end up?
I haven't read that yet.
What if you get lost?
Then I'll probably go and find you.
It's time, Tina. We have an appointment with Mia. Come along. Give me that book. Hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Thank you. Let me put that there. Wait. Let me take that for you. There you are. Now hold on to me. Careful. Come on. Come on, slowly.
Can I help you? Annie. I heard that you were sentenced to 17 years and released early.
I'm working hard.
About that letter. I sent it to you a few years ago. In fact, Tina was my first patient. But I was too young.
I just want to know what you said to her at the time.
You've only just arrived and you've already got such a complicated patient.
Blind.
It's hard enough being blind, but the world is really unfair to her.
What's wrong?
1 second. Hi, come in, please.
You ready? Is it Tina?
I am.
I'm her mum.
Nice to meet you. Please, take a seat.
Oh, right. Okay. Oh, careful. Come round here. Sit now. There you go, there's your bag. Right.
I'm really sorry. I understand how difficult this situation must be, but I'd like to speak to your daughter alone. She's in safe hands.
But I'm her mother.
Mom, I can do it.
You want me here, don't you? Isn't that what you told Mummy?
Annie, we won't be long. There's a cafeteria.
Fine. I'll be right outside, all right?
My name is Mia. Glad to meet you.
Hi, Mia.
Would you like to do something fun with me?
Yeah, sure.
Got some paper and pens here. If you'd like to draw something. Think of the most beautiful place you could ever imagine.
I can try.
Can I see it?
No, sorry. I don't think I'll be able to finish it.
It's not a problem.
No. It is. There's nothing in my mind.
Sit. Put your bag next to you. I'll put your stick next to here. Look, just here, so it's not sticking out. Now, Mummy's going to go and see the doctor alone. Right? You stay here. I won't be a moment. Hi, look, I need to speak to you. I just need some idea of how I can help Tina.
I know you're concerned about her, but I think it might be better to give her a more relaxed environment in this situation. Maybe she could learn a musical instrument or draw. Something that gives her the freedom of self-expression.
No, no, don't touch me.
What are you doing? Didn't you hear me? I called you so many times. Why are you sitting there? Now get up and take a bath. What's this? Did you do that on purpose? The bowl you just broke? Why do you have this? Why? Say something. Why are you doing this to Mummy? You loved me so much when you were little. Don't you love me?
In psychological terms, when children paint objects grey or black, it usually means that they've been scolded by their families or bullied by other children. At the time, I just thought you were being overprotective as a mother. But then later I found out that Tina had been, and I was really very sorry. If only I had communicated with you more about her situation.
No. It's me. Everything is my fault.
Mom, I'm so sorry to make you angry recently. In the past 20 years, I've been trying to make everybody happy. I always tried to be a better person. But I'm getting so tired now. I love you so much. Please, forgive me.
Tina. Oh, what have you done? Oh, Somebody help me!
I'll call 999.
I killed her. She couldn't even speak anymore. I could have done it differently.
You didn't. She was already in pain. Hey, look at me. Look at me.
I loved her. I really did. I'm the only one left now.
Hey, you're not alone. You have me. You have hope. Everyone gets lost at times. Tina's end is not your end. And even if she were here today, she'd still be blind. And there's nothing that you could do that could change that. You brought her here and you let her go free. You didn't force her. This is what she wanted. This is what she wanted. This is what she wanted.
Mom?
Yeah?
There are no land birds. They're always flying, never landing.
They land? Birds land all the time.
No, not those birds. I can tell by the way they sing. And no land birds.